How to adjust your glasses. If you wear glasses, we know exactly how excited you get when you buy a new pair. But what if your new pair or your favorite pair of glasses do not seem to fit your face shape, keep sliding off, or feel too stiff on your nose? If that is the case, we bring you some easy hacks to make your favorite pair fit you in the best way. For metallic glasses, if after putting your glasses on, you feel like they are crooked but seem just leveled when you place them on a flat surface, what you can do to adjust them is adjust the temple pieces by either lowering or raising them to create the right level for your face shape. But what if you have plastic glasses? For plastic glasses, you can slightly heat up the bridge piece of the glasses with a hairdryer for about 15 seconds and then adjust them gently in the right direction. Keep in mind not to heat them too much or it may result in certain damage to either the frame or the lenses. For frames with adjustable nose pads, you can widen both the pads slightly if your glasses sit too high on the bridge of your nose or narrow the pads if they sit too low on it. Moreover, to adjust your glasses, if they keep slipping down your nose, you can blend the stem tip inward so the temple pieces hug the sides of your head. And that's it! These are all the ways you can adjust your favorite pair of glasses to fit your face shape perfectly. Happy sighting!